So, as I said in the agenda, the first point will be an introduction to muscle types in general. So, we will talk about the different muscle types which are found in your body. So, we have three different types, as I said. We have the smooth muscle, the cardiac muscle, and the skeletal muscle. We will be starting with the skeletal muscle, and this one is found attached to the bones and is responsible for body movement in general. So here we have the skeletal muscle, and you can also see a little bit of the anatomy, which I will be talking about a little bit more precise in the future. We have a smooth muscle, which is found in the walls of organs, blood vessels, and a digestive system. So we have a smooth muscle here, and you can also see a little bit of the anatomy under, and also these are the pictures under the microscope. So at last we have the cardiac muscle, which is found exclusively in the heart. This is the anatomy. This is the anatomy under the microscope. So as you can see here, we have lines. As you can see here, we have connected parts, and here we have lines which are connected. So the very interesting about this is that the skeletal muscle is the only one which is under your control. So as example, when you are gripping, you can tell your body, I want to grip, okay? So, but if you're talking about the cardiac muscle, you can say to your heart, beat faster. So you can't control the motions of the cardiac muscle. It's controlled by your body and not by yourself. And this is also the smooth muscle, which is responsible, for example, in your eyes, if your pupil will be wider or smaller, so it's affected by light. You can't tell your pupil, just be wider, please. You don't have control about this. So the skeletal muscle is the only muscle you can really control by yourself, and the other two is not under control. So if you want, you can add this to the slides. I have uploaded the slides in the course. So this is the one I want to tell you about, these three. Now we will dive deep into the really details about these three types of muscle.